5 marketing predictions for 2023. Want to optimize your marketing strategy for 2023? You have to be prepared. Having a set plan with a budget and tangible goals is absolutely essential. But the rub? You have to also be able to pivot. Things can change in marketing at a drop of a dime. You see and read about all these algorithm updates. That means if you don't adapt to them, you won't do well in the future. Whatever your approach may be, you have to have it solidified. Otherwise, you're just playing catch up. Now, I have some predictions for 2023, so take note and let's see how things shake out. Prediction number 1, more and more brands will move away from third-party cookie data. Did you know that the end of third-party cookies on Chrome starts in 2024? Now, that's an extra whole year. Now, they may delay it a little bit, but chances are it's going to happen in 2024. That doesn't mean that you can't get a leg up on things right now. You don't have to wait for 2024. Prediction number 2, voice search will continue to be a major factor. Sales from voice search were roughly $40 billion last year, and they expect to grow even more this year, above 50 plus billion. Now, some tips if you want more voice search: optimize for mobile. In other words, make sure your site loads fast. Make sure that your content is concise. You're answering questions really short and to the point. Look at long tail keywords and make sure you blend them within your content. Also optimize for conversational question-based keywords. You can use tools like Answer the Public to find out these keywords. And again, make sure that your answers are to the point to these questions. In other words, if you can answer them in 1 sentence instead of 2, even better. Don't take 5, 6 sentences to answer a question when it could be done in 1 sentence that's short and to the point. Prediction 3, live shopping will take off. Live commerce will generate a predicted $387 billion in China alone. It hasn't taken off as much in the United States, but it is catching fire, and we're seeing when influencers are part of the live selling, it does extremely well. Prediction 4, social commerce will drive the conversation. 54% of users leverage social media to research products. So are you using social media to showcase your products? From unboxing videos, heck, to even people leaving reviews and talking about how they use your product. Even if you have a service, you can still use social media to people to break down how they're using your service and the results. Prediction 5, podcast advertising will explode. In Britain alone, audiences consumed almost 60 million hours of podcasts a week. 75% of mobile gamers prefer audio ads over video ads. And we see podcast advertising booming because the amount of podcasts out there is really tiny. There's over 1 billion blogs, but from the last stat that we saw when it comes to podcasts, there's less than 10 million podcasts. So there's just not that much competition. And a lot of the advertising that's happening on podcasts right now are to promote other people's podcasts. Now, if you need help with your marketing in 2023, check out our ad agency, NP Digital, where we help companies like yours grow. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.